How you doing? I'm Mike from Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractors. Thank you again for tuning into our video. If you can, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Be greatly appreciated. So, where are we today? Today we are on Atlantic Avenue in Brooklyn. Very different from some of the other videos we've been putting out if you've been following us. Here on Atlantic Avenue, it is crazy. It's extremely busy. As you can see, we're working on that big building over there. It's a new construction project. We're putting in a new sewer and 2 new water mains. So unlike other sites that were on your standard side streets, it's very different working in this environment. As you can see, there's a ton of traffic behind me. And also there is tons and tons of utilities in the roadway, which makes it very challenging to excavate. Let's go take a look. So we're here with Stanley. Stanley, what's up, man? How you doing?
Everything is good.
Good, good. So Stanley, I was just saying, this is not your atypical job. And obviously by the look of this hole, it's crazy in here.
Most definitely.
Right? I mean, not crazy, but this is definitely very, very challenging. So kind of just walk me through what we have going on, what we got going on here. We're installing a new 6-inch sewer, new drilling connection, 2-inch fire, 1.5-inch domestic.
Yes.
Okay? Which the water main here is not the crazy part of the job.
No.
Right?
It's a little shallow. We have to insulate it once we put it in.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean, if we were doing a ductile iron service here, this would be...
It will be more challenging because you have the gas.
There's just no room.
No.
Okay, so talk to me about what was your process when you started digging for the sewer? Because I remember the other day when you started breaking the ground, you called me and said, hey, it's nuts over here.
Yes.
So how did we do it?
Well, once the guy we call, usually before we start a job, we have to call 811
Yeah.
for the mark out.
Always.
Yes. So once they came and they mark everything out, I realized this is going to be a challenge.
Yeah.
So I took my time, dig out the asphalt and the concrete,
Yep.
have the guys locate all the utilities by hand. Mm-hmm. And then after we locate the utilities, I decide, well, I have to move the hole over. I have to cut it back more towards the street.
Okay.
In order to get down to the sewer.
So,
because right here you have the gas main.
Yep.
You have that 16-inch water main.
Uh-huh.
You have corridors in here.
Yep.
All the way on to the top of the sewer. So there's absolutely no room to dig.
So you had to dig in the back to pull the dirt from,
yes,
to push the
top
dirt
of the
back.
sewer, yes.
Okay.
And then once we expose the city sewer, in order to get now room to put my pipe towards the building,
Yeah.
I had to shift over and start digging on the sidewalk.
Okay.
And this is where your operating skills comes into play.
Of course.
You have to dig under and scoop under all these utilities without touching them.
Yeah.
Then if I can't reach anymore, then I have the guys pull it back by hand. When they pull back, I keep digging out and they keep pulling back by hand.
So a job like this, you're basically shifting dirt around to get where
Yes.
you need to get.
Definitely, yes.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So today we got our drilling connection for the sewer.
Yes, sewer is completed. Yeah.
Sewer's in.
Yes.
Okay. Mm-hmm. So at this point now, we're back. You're back in a backfill?
Yeah, I'm going to bring it up to the water main level.
Okay.
We have the 2 taps here. We have the 2-inch tap for the water, for the fire service. 1 inch for the 1.5-inch domestic.
How deep are we going to be right here? About 30 inches?
Yeah, by the time you put in your, by the time you hook up your tap,
Yeah.
actually, yeah, about 30 inches. Right now
All right,
it's like
so
3 feet
we're
deep.
right to code.
Yeah.
And then we're going to drop it down a little
Drop
bit.
it down, yes.
Okay.
Once we get past this, the gas main, we gotta drop it down.
Okay.
Yeah.
2 curb valves, and then we're done.
Yes.
Right? Push it through the wall.
Yeah.
Okay.
But so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna bring it up to the water main level. I'm gonna have the guys drill the 2 holes inside.
Okay.
I'm gonna try and get the 2 water up to the curb valve today. Because we have a stipulation on Atlantic Avenue because the traffic is so busy. We have to be out of here before rush hour.
Yeah, so this is one of those crazy streets where DOT says you can't have a pedestrian walkway in the roadway, and you have to leave 5 feet open. So there was all these scaffolding here. You guys had to get really creative to make this happen, right? We have plates.
Yes.
We made a safe walkway, flag man. Okay. So basically, just to summarize, if you don't have tons and tons of experience like Stanley has, you should not be excavating in an area like this.
No, definitely.
This is no joke. You could cause some real serious damage if you don't know what you're doing. That's why we are so thankful to have someone like Stanley on our team. Stanley, as always,
it's my pleasure.
Man. Have a good one.
All right.
See ya.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and
Comment.
comment. All right? Peace out.
See ya. Good job, Stan.
All right.